Once a glass, metal, or plastic chemical bottle in the laboratory is empty, it can be triple rinsed and recycled, just like any ordinary recyclable. Here we see a researcher with a 4-liter bottle ready to be triple rinsed. To start, she fills the bottle 1/10 of the way with water, screws the cap on, then shakes and swirls. She then pours the water into a labeled hazardous waste receptacle. She rinses the bottle and pours the contents into the waste receptacle 2 more times. Then she puts an empty for recycling label on the bottle. These labels can be picked up at the Research Safety Office. They communicate to custodial staff that the bottle is safe to recycle. After putting the label on, she places the bottle in the hallway for custodial staff to remove. This procedure is the same for all sizes of glass, metal, and plastic containers. But if there's sludge, solidified material, or more than a residual amount of the chemical left in the container, do not rinse it. Submit it as chemical waste instead, either as a surplus chemical or a liquid mixture. If you don't have recycling labels on hand, deface all identifiers and hazard labels with a marker. If you have any air-reactive chemicals stored in bottles with the manufacturer's sealed septum caps, do not go through the process of opening, quenching, and triple rinsing them. When these bottles are empty, they must be submitted as chemical waste with the original label intact. By following the triple rinse procedure, you reduce the university's carbon footprint by recycling your empty containers, and you help make Northwestern a safe, hazard-free place to work.